4324. Also needed for the National Weather Service Roxbury Base location. The thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties: Virginia, Henry, and Pennsylvania, and the Virginia-connected city of Martinsville. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County, southeastern Randolph County, western Chatham County until 5 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of North Carolina Zoo, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Siler City, North Carolina Zoo, Goldston, Harper's Crossroads, High Falls, Coleridge, and Hasty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Moore, and Randolph. Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Forsyth County, north central Davidson County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clemens, or 8 miles south of Winston-Salem, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, Welcome, and Arcadia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson and Forsyth. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for north central Davidson County in central North Carolina, south central Forsyth County in central North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Winston-Salem, Clemens, Arcadia and Welcome. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.